What's up, y'all? It's Also Dope. I'm back for another video, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys all of my Ivy Park. This is kind of a late video, but I wanted to come on here and I wanted to show you guys everything I got. So if you want to see what I got from the first drop and the second drop of this latest drop, please stay tuned for the video. So the first thing that I got was the leggings. Okay, honey. And I think these were $85. As you can see, we've got the official Ivy Park tag, and then it has the Adidas logo there, and then the stripes down the bottom, and then at the bottom the legs are like really tight. I really like these. They come with a pocket on the left side. I wish I had one on both sides, but that is those. I wanted to get the top that went with this, but it sold out so quick, y'all. Like, everything was sold out so fast. So from this drop in particular, I didn't get what I wanted, but I'm gonna cop everything later that I wanted. So I went ahead and I grabbed this Ivy Park shirt. This one was $40. And yeah, and I'm like, you know, that still looks pretty cute together, so I went ahead and got that. So now let me show y'all what I copped. The latest drop, which is the Drip 2 Black Pack. So the first drop that they did was on Adidas. Then the second drop that came out like a week or a couple days after that dropped on ASOS, Finish Line, Essence, and a couple other sites, Nordstrom as well. So on Nordstrom, I had actually wound up ordering the hat. This one was $30. This one sold out pretty quick. The smaller stuff usually sells out super fast, like the first things to go, like the hats and the belts and stuff. So I got this one from Nordstrom. It was $30. The shipping was free, so that was cool. It came in like 4 or 5 days. So that was cool. And then from Adidas, I also was able to grab, everything sold out so fast on Adidas and I was asleep, so I missed the initial pre-check-in. So if you're an Adidas member, you can sign up for alerts, so that way they'll send you emails like, hey, the shop is open. You can go ahead and enter your payment information and stuff like that, so you can have an easy checkout and take a look at what's for sale, and you can put stuff in your cart, so that way when it's time you can instantly cash out. But I was asleep like a idiot and I missed it. So when I got on there, the only thing that was on there that I even remotely wanted was the Ivy Park blazer. So it has the 3 stripes down the side, and then it has buttons there. You can undo these buttons. When I wore mine, I wore it rolled up on the sleeves. I'm going to insert pictures of me wearing it. So yeah, then on this side you can see it has the Ivy Park going down all the way to the bottom. These pockets are fake, which I was disappointed by. I think you can actually open them though, if you want to. I'm probably gonna just leave it closed, because you would have to actually like open this fabric. Oh, it actually does. It's not a fake pocket, it's actually real. So yeah, this one was really dope. I wish they would have put like something on the back, like Ivy Park down the back in the middle. But yeah, this one, you can see we have the Ivy Park tag. We have a little thing for you to hang this on. I love jackets that have these because I can hang it up on my little jacket rack that I have. But this blazer went for $150. It's very heavy. It's a very thick quality. The material is super heavy, and I really like it. You can tell this is a really good quality. So that is what I got from the Adidas site. Got the hat from Nordstrom. Then I also got this from Adidas. And this one is the reversible double-sided belt. So on this side you have the all black ivy part going down with your buckles. And then on the reverse side you have the gold ivy part on the buckles. So I usually wear it on this side, and I got this for the sole purpose of wearing it with the jumpsuit, which is initially what I wanted, but I missed it on the Adidas website, so I went ahead and I copped it off of Finish Line. This one is the unisex jumper. This one was $180, I think, or $160, something like that. I'm gonna post everything on the screen. But yeah, so this one has the drawstrings in the waist that you can tighten up for women if you want a tighter fit, or men if you want a tighter fit in the waist. You can use these to tighten it up. It has buttons that go down to the crotch area. Then you have two pockets on the sides here, and then you have a zipper pocket here, which works, a pocket here which has Velcro at the top, and then you have the same thing on the opposite side. This one has the ivy park stripe going down the right, and then you can see it on the back as well. And you also have your Ivy Park logo there, which is super duper freaking cute. So the legs are flare, and the arms have these little adjustable straps that you can use to tighten your wrists up. I got a size small, so I was so glad that I got this belt, because when I added the belt to this, it made it pop 100 times more. The belt was $45. I ordered this one off of Adidas when I got my blazer. So I'm going to insert pictures of everything so you guys can see. But the really dope thing about all of this stuff is, if you did miss it and you didn't get a chance to cop anything, you can go ahead and go on StockX or GOAT. I think StockX, I don't think you can get it on GOAT, but I know StockX for sure has everything from all the drops. You might run into a little bit of a price thing where it's kind of expensive, but I feel like if it's worth it, then I don't mind spending the money for it, as long as it's not overly outrageous. But these things only drop one time, so it's like you have to expect to have that result when you're going to buy something that was already released only once and you're trying to get it. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to cop everything that I wanted from the very first drop, and the rest of the stuff that I wanted from this drop. So yeah, this was a pretty short video. I just wanted to show you guys the stuff that I got from the Ivy Park drops that Beyoncé recently did. So I'm going to leave the links below for you guys if you want to find these items, legit Ivy Park items, not fake, if you didn't get a chance to cop anything. So that will be all in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching this quick little video. I love you guys.